Flop the blue jay. We love Flop. We love you, Flop. Mwah.
Mwah.
We love you. He's so cute. Let's see what else we see. You ready, Mireya? He's playing with you. Let's see what else we can see. Walking through the wild bird center. Oh, look at you upside down. Look at you upside down. Yeah. It's a pretty bird. It's a pretty bird. It's a pretty bird. Pretty bird. Hello there. Hello there. Aww, hello. Hello there. Hello there. You want to say hello?
Say hello.
Hello. It's him, yeah. He's trying to do it. He's trying to imitate. He's trying to imitate it. Flop! Oh, look at this guy. Look this way. Which woodpecker? Holy crap! Look at him. Oh, look at him. He's just chilling in the tree. The woodpecker. You see him?
That's my cat.
Oh, come here, little guy. Where are you at? Where's he at? Nice! Good job. Say hello, Daddy. Mireya, hello. Bird Center in February, and it's hot as hell. I'm sweating. Ooh, look at that spider. It looks like an orb weaver.
An orb weaver.
Yes, that's what. Oh, Pelican Place. Let's check them out.
Pelican.
Oh, the turkey vultures, I think.
Turkey vultures?
Yeah. Or are they Africa turkeys, Mireya? We saw these.
That's recording right now, Jenna.
Well, we saw these pheasants
Did you take pictures now?
on TV. I thought they were pheasants, and Mireya said they were Africa turkeys. Oh, look at this guy with his neck. What are these, anhingas? I think.
Oh, dang. Oh my god, it smells so bad.
It does.
Yeah, but
Look at this guy.
Look. Wait, that one out of the cage? Mom, look.
Look at his neck. Oh, cool.
That is one out of the cage.
Yes? Where?
Over
Oh,
here.
these guys. Yeah, they did. They got out.
Those are friends. friends. Those are the ones
Those
I
are
was
the
talking
friends.
about.
Yeah, those are his friends. Look at this guy up here. Oh, look at all the seagulls. Yeah. What? Oh, cool. Very good. No U-turns. You know, you can get it without the gate in the picture if you get really close. Really? Like that? Taking them with me. Nice to meet today. I have been nice. I'm always nice. Nope. Oh, that's a good one, Mireya. That's a really good one. I'm afraid the wind's gonna blow and the spider is just gonna fall on top of my head. Look at this guy.
Oh, that's a good picture.
Look at this guy. Yeah, I'm like so paranoid that he's gonna fall on my head. Oh, they look so pretty. They do. Look at you. Oh, you guys look so pretty. You guys getting along nicely? Yeah? Okay. Oh, I like this guy. Hold on! Trying to get a picture of this guy. Maybe not. It's alright. We're all going to the same place. Hey, little guys. Beach. I know. Let me take my time. I guess the hurricane didn't damage this too much. Not too bad over here. Pelicans. Pelican. Oh yeah, this is the one. This is what I love about the Keys. Love it. Stinks, but I love it. Oh, I love this.
Trying to get her feet wet.
Trying to get her feet wet? Oh, she did? Oh, I just want to jump in the water. How does it feel? Is it warm?
Yes.
Oh, babe. We could have totally gone snorkeling. It's super warm. So unfair. Yeah, we're allowed to be here. Oh, it's so, look at the little sand fleas. here. Hold on, Davian. Hold on. Hello. Meow. Meow.
Where, David? Let me see.
Meow. Meow. Oh, he just wants to sing now.
Where's the Lord?
Meow. 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 Hello there. Hello there. Oh, I hear the dove.
Alright, come on, let's go this way.
Okay, there's some a girl cardinal in here.